In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header colors in Squarespace. If you want your navigation bar to better reflect your brand style, you can adjust it directly in the editor and see the results live as you work. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor. Move your cursor over the header area at the top of the page. You'll see a control appear that lets you edit the header. Click Edit Site Header to open the Header Settings panel. This is the dedicated space where you control how your navigation bar looks and behaves across your site. Inside the header settings, look for the option that lets you adjust the visual style. Click Edit Design. This takes you to the design controls specific to the header, including typography, spacing, and the colors we want to change. Next, find the Color section. Click Color to open the color controls for your header. This panel manages elements like the background, site title, and navigation link colors and icon colors. We're focusing on the background, so the header stands out or blends in exactly the way you need. In the background color area, you'll see the current color swatch. Click that color swatch to open the color picker. This is where you can explore different shades and instantly preview how the header looks as you experiment. If your template shows a transparent or overlay effect on top of images, this is also where you can give it a solid tone for more readability. To move beyond presets, choose Custom. Clicking Custom unlocks the full color picker, so you're not limited to theme defaults. This is especially helpful if you have a specific brand color you want to match closely. Now select your color. You can drag within the picker to explore hues, tweak brightness and saturation, and use the slider to fine-tune the exact shade. If you know your brand's hex or RGB values, you can enter them to get an exact match. Keep an eye on contrast while you choose. Your navigation links and icons should remain easy to read against the background. If the text starts to disappear, you can adjust either the background shade or, if available in your design panel, the link and icon colors to maintain clear legibility. As you try options, watch the live preview so you can see how the header looks on your pages. A slightly darker or lighter variant often improves readability without straying from your brand. When you're happy with the result, simply leave the editor panel. Your changes are applied to the header wherever it appears on your site. That's all you need to change the header colors in Squarespace.